S400. High-precision 3-axis ball screw CNC machine is used for cabinet doors, wooden doors, solid doors, panel, windows, advertising boards and sign markings. This machine can process artificial stone, wood, bamboo, marble, organic board, color plates and other materials. This machine has one 9-kilowatt spindle with 8 or 12 sets of tracking mode circular tools change. Using Japanese Yaskawa servo motor, Taiwan imported guide rail to ensure machine stability. Taiwan famous Syntec control system which easy to operate, fully supports automatic production.